豚の角煮 Japanese Braised Pork Belly with Mustard.
Hi, welcome! My name is Kazusa. I love delicious food and healthy life living.
Today, I will show you how to make Japanese braised pork belly with mustard. The meat will be so tender that you can easily pick it apart with a chopstick. The tasty broth will penetrate the meat and vegetables and leave them packed with flavor. Sadly, cooking Japanese braised pork belly usually takes over 3 hours, but I will show you how you can use an instant pot to finish it about half the time. Let's get started. Cut the meat into 2-inch big squares. Set the instant pot to sauté mode and fry the pork with the skin side down. Pork belly contains a lot of fat. You don't have to add any oil. Fry and turn the pork until all sides of it get the golden color. This usually takes a few minutes. Add enough water to cover the pork. On the side, prepare the green part of green onion and ginger. You can just cut them randomly because you won't eat them. Add the green onion and ginger into the pot. Set instant pot to pressure cooker mode and pressure cook for 5 minutes. Make sure steam pressure handle is in place.
This is Japanese radish, daikon.
In the meantime, cut and prepare the daikon. Cut the daikon in 1-inch slices. Use a potato peeler to shave off the sharp corners. This process is called mentori and helps them maintain a nice shape and absorb more flavor. After 5 minutes, carefully release the pressure. Set aside the boiled water in a bowl. If you want to, take out the extra fat and you can use it to make a soup. Take out the green onion and the ginger and wash the inner pot and the pork. Add the daikon. All the seasoning and the water. Mirin is an essential condiment used in Japanese cuisine, which is a type of rice wine similar to sake, but with a lower alcohol and higher sugar content. When you use the pressure cooker, you can use less condiments, and it's healthy and it keeps all the nutrients in each ingredients. Let it cook under pressure for 30 minutes. I could take a nap or prepare for side dishes. After 30 minutes, open the lid and let fall until it has boiled down to about half to quarter of the sauce. Gently turn over the meat and the daikon to make sure they all reach an even color. Do this while in sauté mode. Don't forget to pour the delicious sauce over the pork and daikon. Slice the onion thinly on a slight angle. This traditional way to cutting green onion is called shiraga negi. Shiraga means gray hair, negi means green onion. Isn't that a funny name? Add some salt in the separate pan and boil the spinach from the stem. Do not boil more than a minute to avoid losing nutrition such as vitamins. Served with the spicy mustard, spinach, and the chopped green onions. This is one of my husband's favorite Japanese dishes, and I'm addicted to this dish too because the super tasty meat melts in your mouth.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and leave a comment below telling me what do you want to cook next. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye. Today I will show you.